Welcome to Exploring Bites with me. It's Prithvi, and it's a pleasant Sunday. I usually spend some time in cooking on Sundays. When I thought of cooking comes to my mind, my choices are mostly non-vegetarian. But this week I had enough non-veg, so I thought of cooking something veg. While thinking what to cook in veg, I found a Maggi packet in my kitchen. Yes, the Maggi, which is an emotion for me, and it's a popular instant noodles in India. So I finally decided to cook Maggi with a twist. Yes, the twist is it's a paneer Maggi. It only takes 10 to 12 minutes, but it will satisfy my tummy. For this, we need paneer, carrots, mixed veggies, coriander, Maggi, masala, and finally Maggi. Let's start the process. Add oil, heat the oil, and then add carrots. After roasting the carrots for some time, add paneer and fry it for 5 minutes. Now add Maggi and mixed veggies and Maggi masala. Mix it well and place the lid for 3 minutes. And then add water, mix well and close the lid. Cook it for like couple of minutes. At the end, sprinkle some coriander and serve. Finally, enjoy the twist. Thanks for watching. See you soon.